Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. As we were discussing about the settlement machineries of the grievances of the consumer, in which we have already discussed about the two settlement machineries, that is district forum and state forum or state commission. Now today we will discuss about the third and most important forum, that is National Commission. Dear student, National Commission, it is the setup by central government, and the provision of this commission are that first of all it consists of a president and at least 4 members appointed by the central government. As we know that in district forum and in state forum there were one president and 2 members appointed by the state government, but in National Commission one president is there and at least 4 members. It means more than 4 members can be appointed, but minimum 4 members must be there appointed by the central government. And for direct application in National Commission, a criteria is given, that is, all complaints are pertaining to goods and services of the value of more than 1 crore can be filed with the National Commission. It means if the value of the complaint is less than 1 crore, then it will be directly registered to the state forum but not in National Commission. But those parties who are not getting the satisfaction from the state commission or state forum, which value is less than, which complaint value is less than the 1 crore, they can also file in National Commission for getting justification or for satisfying themselves. Even though, dear students, this is also a provision that if the district forum consumer is not satisfied with the district forum judgment, then they can also apply for a state forum, and if the state forum judgment is also not satisfying them, then the complaint of district forum can be challenged also in National Commission too. But this must be happened in series. But for direct lodging any complaint in National Commission, dear students, it is mandatory that the complaint must be for more than 1 crore. Okay. So, dear students, the complaint must be for more than 1 crore. So, dear students, the complaint must be related to the 1 crore. Now, the next provision of the National Commission, that is, on receiving the complaint, the National Commission can also refer to the opposite party and send goods for testing to, as all district forums and state forums were doing. Same the National Commission can also do to know about the fact, to know about the reality. Now the next term, that is, National Commission has the power to issue orders for replacement removal and to pay the compensation for loss. Dear students, National Commission has the power that they can replace the mentor removal, and they can also allow or they can also order to compensate the aggrieved person if they are sufferer. So dear students, these were few basic informations of National Commission. But now you were thinking that if the students are if the consumers are not satisfied with the decision of the National Commission, then probably it is not going to be complained anywhere, but still there is a provision that that decision can be challenged in Supreme Court too. Now dear students, we will discuss about the remedies available to the consumer. Dear students, there are so many remedies available to the consumer. First is remove defect in goods and deficiency in services. Second is replace defective goods with one and with no defects. Next is refund price. Thereafter, next is pay a reasonable amount. After that, pay punitive damage in appropriate circumstances. Thereafter, discontinue unfair restrictive trade practices. Not to offer hazardous goods and services for sale. Withdraw hazardous goods from sale. Case manufacturing hazardous goods. And thereafter, pay an amount to consumer welfare pay an amount to consumer welfare fund person not less than 5% to be utilized in the prescribed manner. Next is issue corrective advertisement to neutralize the effect of misleading ads, and thereafter pay adequate cost to parties. Dear students, the remedies available to the consumer are these, and under these criteria, if the consumers are sufferer, if the consumers are suffering, or someone has lost their life, or they have their grievances under these criteria, then they can use the consumer forum for redressal and settlement of these remedies. It means if the products or goods and services has these kinds of remedies, these can be sought out by the district forum or state forum or national commission on the demand of the consumer, on the application of the consumer received by different settlement equipments or different settlement machinery of Consumer Protection Act. Dear students, today we will over here. Tomorrow we will discuss about the consumer awareness, that is too much important for consumer protection. Till then, thank you.